you ever drink this coffee before?
No, it's my first time in the coffee.
Yeah, let me go to sport. The coffee is amazing and the bake everything fresh.
Nice. I could really use a good espresso today.
Good morning. Can I get you this with something to drink?
Yes, I have a cappuccino, please.
And I'll take an espresso double shot.
To me right up.
So, do you usually come here to work or just relax?
Uh, Good I press the Wi-Fi and it's heat in the morning.
Yeah.
Hello, hey guys. Sorry I am late. Traffic was a fool.
No worries, we just ordered drinks.
Great, I had a black coffee. Did you already recommend the almond croissant?
Of course, it's the best drink here.
Then I am definitely doing that.
Bye.
Y habla en español.